Okay, now if there's one car we've loved to sell over the years, it's the VW Golf, and this one is of course the top of the tree. You can buy the VW Golf R. Now a year or so ago this car would have been 45 grand, 44, 45 grand. Now age, spec and mileage, it's a fantastic buy at £36,990. I had to look twice at the price on the website, and so should you. Don't miss this. On a 23 with 16,000 miles on it, it's a Lapiz Blue, it's the correct colour. It's also got the specification that we want when we buy one of these, the 19-inch Estoril wheels, the opening sunroof. Now, it's in just an outstanding condition all round, so if you're watching this video and you want a Golf R, you will not find a better one for the money than this in the UK. If we talk about the running and the driving of these cars, 4-wheel drive, 2-litre petrol, 320 brake horsepower, 4.6, 4.7 seconds 0 to 60. It does everything because it's a 5-door hatchback, so you've got space for a family. Typically, we're selling these cars to every type of customer you can think of because they appeal to so many different types of people, and especially ones with the spec, with the roof. That's what people want. They want the roof on it, they want the wheels, so they want that exterior look. This has got all those things. Now, the IQ Matrix lights to the rear, we'll talk about the front ones shortly, give you these individual OLED LEDs. We have the quad pipes, we have black styling all round, the centralised Golf R badging, and the rear boot spoiler. Now, if I'm being honest about this car, I'm walking around, I'm looking at it, I cannot see one mark on it. It is a beautiful condition, it really is. Back around to the front of this car, synonymous features on the Golf R, the chrome mirror casings, but it's really the colour for me because this colour, the Lapiz Blue, is the colour to buy in one of these cars. It's matched by the bonnet, the light under the bonnet, LED, we've got the little blue tinge as well to the top, and then the black styling continues here. Then the wheels, if we look at the wheels, now wheels make a car. I've mentioned it 2 or 3 times already in this video. These are the wheels to have, so they're a polished wheel, diamond cut with a black insert, the matching blue R braking calipers, 19-inch. They look fantastic, filling the arches. Then we've got keyless entry on the Golf R. We've got switchable ambient lighting, which we've got in pink, which I like. Don't mind that at all. You can switch it to a multitude of different colours. And then the sport seat with a crosshatch centre and the Alcantara exterior. Obviously, most of these Golfs have those seats. You'd be very lucky to get one with leather in this price range, and for me, you don't need it. They hug you in, they're tight, they're sporty, and they do what they need to do. Extended paddle shifters, Batmobile-like steering wheel, which is heated, and we've got adaptive cruise on the steering wheel, which is a nice feature to have. You get it in all the Golfs now. Golf R mode, which is switchable drive modes from the steering wheel. You can see you can toggle that from comfort, sport, race, and individual. Individual means you can go into the settings of the car and you can tailor the driving dynamic, steering, drive, everything you want to really. Popping the car in reverse, we've got front and rear sensors, we've got keyless entry, keyless start, we've got wireless smartphone interface, wireless smartphone charging, navigation, Bluetooth, all the things you're going to want to use. But what a fantastic buy this is. If you're in the market for one, don't miss it. It's on the website now. 36,990. Wow. Thanks for watching.